What's going on, my Facebook and YouTube family? Yes, y'all, I said my Facebook and YouTube family because people, today's vlog is going to be on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, so y'all can get the chance to see what's about to be going on today. People, today is Friday, today is payday, and y'all already know today is also a special day because tonight, I'm going to a birthday dinner. But before the birthday dinner, I do want to bring y'all with me on today's journey today, okay? Because today, y'all, we are going to the Wolf Chase Galleria Mall, okay? We're going to the Wolf Chase Mall, y'all, okay? So, that means y'all will get the chance to see Interstate I-240 and I-40, Interstate 40. So that means, people, we're going to Bartlett. Yes, y'all, we are going to Bartlett. But first, I got to head downtown. Me and my sister going downtown. Then I gotta drop my first I gotta drop my brother off first, then after that, we're going straight downtown. So y'all get the chance to see I-240 West. Yes, I-240 West. So y'all will get the chance to see that on the way downtown. But on our way downtown, I ain't gonna be doing that much talking. It's gonna be like music playing in the background. So yes, y'all, it'll be a lot of music playing today in today's vlog. So I ain't gonna be doing that much talking. But I'm gonna be, give y'all updates on what's going on and all that stuff throughout part 1. Yes, y'all, this is part 1 of today's vlog. So people, it's about to get real, it's about to get live. So no further ado, y'all, no further ado, let's get this show on the road. Alright, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that road footage going to downtown, like on our way to downtown and seeing Central Avenue. That was very, very nice to see. And then the sun is out, so that was perfect because the sun was out. So right now, y'all, I'm out, I'm finna get my hair cut. I'm finna get to use with the line and tape and the sponge. Y'all go see when I come back and get done doing what I gotta do to my head, okay? So y'all about to see how my hair will look in the next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, y'all. Woo. Yeah, your boy got chopped. My guy D always come for me. But he always come through for me. So, yes, y'all, your boy got chopped. Now, y'all, let's head to the Wolf Chase Mall. So, let's go, y'all. y'all, I'm back. Yes, y'all, I'm back. Y'all, I'm sorry that I didn't get the chance to, you know, finish off today's, well, continue on with today's vlog. But because I was just so in the rush, so I really didn't have time to, you know, continue on with today's vlog. Like, show y'all the second half of today's vlog, because people, the second half of today's vlog was supposed to be at like a birthday dinner. Like, I went to a birthday dinner, and the time that was like 11:34, and I'm on my way home. But overall, y'all, today has been a very productive, funny day, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's been a very productive, funny day. I just hope that y'all enjoyed today's vlog like I enjoyed making today's vlog. I just hope that y'all enjoyed that wonderful road footage of I-240 West, I-240 East, and Interstate 40 going toward Bartlett. I just hope that y'all enjoyed it, okay? I just hope that y'all enjoyed it, y'all, because, like, this shit was, like, I mean, ooh, that scenery was very, very wonderful to see. Okay? Alright, so I'm on my way back home. I gotta go to work in the morning, but y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Just stay tuned for tomorrow, y'all. Cause there could be some more stuff to experience again. Yes, y'all, again, alright? Okay. So in closing, to my Facebook family, I appreciate y'all like react, comment, and also share the video. And to my YouTube family, I would also appreciate if you would like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel, alright? Because I'm trying to make this YouTube channel grow, alright? Okay. So y'all, I'm on my way back home. I hope everybody had a very productive and safe day today, like I did. Yes, like I did, alright? Okay, so y'all, until tomorrow, y'all, this is Gary Corn, and I'm out.